Hello, this is Daryl again at Passing Lane Motors. Today I'd like to tell you about a really great shape 1977 Chrysler Cordoba. Yes, Carlo Montalban's car with the rich Corinthian leather, but this one don't have Corinthian leather. Anyway, this car is has the 400, now been punched out to a 405, brand new fresh engine in it. The paint on the car is very nice. Has the original dual top on it, and the top is in excellent shape. Does have American racing wheels with Hoosier slicks on the back, regular 70s on the front, radials. The car is very straight. It's in great shape. The chrome is awesome on this car still. The body lines are also very straight. Everything lines up super. You can see the top. And we'll show you the interior in here. The car has very nice all original interior. This is a all matching car, 100% original car. Matching engine, 727 torque flight. It does have a new rear end in it with 456 gears, posi, 12 bolt or 8 3/4 posi with 556s in it. Has a kill switch back here on the back bumper to save the battery. Let's open the trunk. Sorry about that. I can get the key in it. Here's the trunk. Battery has now been put in the trunk. Spare tire, jack, all the original carpeting and upholstery still in the car. Everything is very good shape on this car. All original pans. Let's get in and fire it up for you. Here's the interior from the driver's side. Let you listen to this. Does have a tack in it now. Oh, I have to turn the switch on. I turned it off. And there's the buzzer. Interior hood release. There's all the gauges. Radio still works. To it from the back. Thing's a monster. Here's a picture of the shot of the inside of the engine. Now it's shut off so you can hear it. It does have a cold air induction in it. Anyway, very fast, very luxurious, kind of unique piece. Don't have to break the bank on getting a cool running, great driving 1977 Chrysler Cordoba. Call Daryl, 636-600-1140. Let's get this car to you. You'll have a blast in it. Starts, runs, drives great, performs incredibly admirable. You'll have a great time in this car. Again, call Daryl, 636-600-1140. Thanks a lot and have a great day.